What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something interesting, and speaking of interesting, it is currently 32 degrees in Canada. We are facing a heat wave, so it is really hot today. So in case you see any shine or hear any siren noise, let me just tell you ahead, there's a heat wave, so people are going to be up and down, and you get the point. The problem has always been that you don't have the right knowledge and you don't have the appropriate budget. In today's video, I have merged these two things together. I have created a student budget body care routine that contains both moisturizing products and brightening products for 3 different complexion categories: fair, caramel, and dark. Now, in today's video, I intend to give you top shelf recommendations in terms of body care products that will help your skin to look absolutely beautiful, that people will not even be able to tell that you got all your body care products on a budget. My girls that have eczema, a little bit of psoriasis, my skin is itchy after shower, I got the perfect recommendation for you. The Vani Cream Cleansing Bar that retails for 15,500 naira for one unique bar soap has been clinically tested and expertly formulated to help to get rid of eczema, psoriasis, itchiness, and of course that sensation on your skin that allows your skin to just feel completely uncomfortable after shower. You need to start using the appropriate bar soap to combat symptoms like that if you're somebody that is really prone to eczema. Number 2 will have to be the Koji White Papaya Extract Bar Soap, and this one is 14,500 naira with 2 unique bar soaps inside it. Now the key ingredients inside this bar soap is Koji White and papaya extract. Together they are going to be helping your skin to be mildly exfoliated, gently moisturized, and of course brighter in complexion. So you get to choose whichever one you want. Now the last one is actually my favorite. It is the one that I am currently using, and that is the Dove Moisturizing Bar Soap with 1/4 moisturizing cream, and it comes in a lot of variants like shea butter, there's one with rice extracts, there's one with berry extracts. The mistake a lot of people make when it comes to their body scrubs is that they choose the one that is really lightly in formula in terms of the ingredients. They go for things like tomato, wheat gold, alpha butane, turmeric, and this one is only going to make matters worse for you, especially because the entire overall budget that we are trying to do with this video is to fit all the products that we're going to be getting into 50,000 naira or max 100,000 naira. So we are working with a budget, a student budget of between 50,000 naira to 100,000 naira. So if that is what your budget looks like for your body care routine every 3 months or every 2 months, you cannot afford to go and splurge on a body scrub that is going to bleach your skin or leave your skin uneven with contraindications like dark knuckles, hypopigmentation, or even melasma. And this is why on my own end, I've been loving shea sugar scrubs with lavender extracts, citrus extracts, beautiful tinty senses extracts. I just love how beautiful it smells in the shower. This is where the Dr. Teal's shea sugar scrub range comes into the picture. When I checked Jumia, I saw that they had the one with lavender, they had the one with citrus, they had the one with berry blaster, so they have a lot of variants that you can pick from. And this shea sugar scrub is really good because it will help to gently moisturize your skin while also critically and properly exfoliating your skin. The key thing that we are trying to avoid here is to make sure that your skin gets the exfoliation it needs without you having indications like uneven skin tone, rough patches, rough texture, I don't like how my skin feels, all of that mumbo jumbo into the trash. And another thing that I've been using for exfoliation is an exfoliating washcloth. This one is particularly the one that they use in Japan. I'm telling you, it has changed my life. Sometimes in the shower, all I do is use my body bar soap and this washcloth, and my skin feels instantly smooth. My body feels like a baby's bottom when I'm done, and I really love it. The exfoliating washcloth that I could find on Jumia retails for 5,000 naira, while the Dr. Teal's shea sugar scrubs retails between 7,000 naira to 12,000 naira, depending on the vendor that you are able to get it from. Now let's talk about body washes, because body wash is so important when it comes to your body care routine, especially when you are done with your pre-cleanse and you are done with your exfoliation. It is time to start adding fragrances, scintillating things to your shower routine, something that makes you feel pampered. If you don't have the budget for this, just skip. Let me say that. But if you can still spare a little bit of money, then of course I'm going to advise that you try the Nivea Love body wash. I used this body wash when I was back in Nigeria. It was so easy to find, absolutely pocket friendly, beautiful to the senses, cleanses the skin, and of course leaves the skin feeling soft and highly fragranced. And I just love the smell that comes from the Nivea Love body wash. However, since I landed here, I've been using the Olay Cleansing plus vitamin C, or should I say a niacinamide cleansing brightening body wash that retails for 25,000 naira. I saw 25,000 naira on Junior, guys. Yeah. So this particular body wash is really good for my girls that want to brighten. However, if you're trying to just moisturize your dark to caramel complexion, then just use the Nivea Love. You don't need to use the Olay one that retails for 25,000 naira if you're not trying to brighten up your skin. This life is about choice. Choose moisturizing body care products because they are less expensive. They will still give you good results. However, they are not going to brighten up your skin. Or add a little bit of money to your budget and go for something that will brighten up your skin because they are infused with the ingredients to be able to do so. I also found 2 different body lotions for you guys, for the girls that want to moisturize and the girls that want to brighten on a budget. And I actually have those 2 products in my collection right now. The first one is the St. Ives Cranberry and Grapeseed Oil Deep Moisturizing Lotion that retails for 10,000 naira. Is it 10? No. That retails for 12,000 naira. It is extremely moisturizing. I love the scent. I love how fast absorbing it is on my skin. It is perfect for my girls who are between normal to combination and oily, acne prone, especially for their body care. The second lotion that I have on my list is the Vaseline Gluta-Aya Flawless Glow Lotion. This is one of the most affordable body lotions that you can get, that is easy to find, easy to access, easy to purchase, and that also safely brightens up your skin, especially because you are on a budget. It retails for 12,000 naira on Jumia. I love the scent, I love the smell, I love the texture. You're not going to feel heavy on your skin when you use the Vaseline Gluta-Aya. It is easy to apply, easy. You are going to look forward to the reapplication of the Vaseline Gluta-Aya Flawless Glow Lotion. Flawless Glow, not this other one. And for my girls, I want to go with the extra layer of adding that glow, so that when you wear a shirt like this and your neck is showing, your décolletage is shiny. When you have exposed arms, your arms are shiny, your décolletage, everywhere is just glistening. Everywhere looks like you are a glazed donut. To be able to get that, you need to add either a body oil or a body butter to your collection. And the good news is you get to pick. For my girls who are on a budget, Arami has this beautiful ivory body butter that I've been using since last year, and it retails for 10,000 naira. I'm telling you, your skin is going to be soft, supple, and moisturized. And this one is particularly recommended for my girls who are between dark to caramel in complexion. Next is the Vaseline Cocoa Oil Body Gel. The Vaseline Cocoa Butter Body Oil Gel is really good, but the only con to this one is that it is a bit thick on the skin. So if your skin is between normal to combination and oily, you're going to feel the weight of this body oil on your skin. However, if you don't want to feel the weight of using any lotion or using any body butter on your skin, go for the other recommendations that I have mentioned earlier and use a shea butter instead of a body oil. Your skin is still going to be even, your skin is still going to be flawless, and your skin is still going to be soft. If those are the key 3 factors that you're looking for. The issue is this is another pro tip, this is bonus tip. People have money, but they are not buying the right products, and that is why it looks like they are not getting the right results. My channel focuses on reviewing different kinds of products for different kinds of pocket sizes, skin types, skin conditions, and just anything that you want to be able to achieve when it comes to your skincare routine. That is what my channel is really focused on. I'm so happy we were able to fit the budget between 50 to 100k. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which of the products are you going to be mixing and matching together to be able to create your own unique skincare routine that is very good for your complexion, very good for your skincare goal, and of course very compatible with your skin type. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and I'm going to see you in the very next one. Bye.